This is my son Nitro. And he broke the TV. Didn't you, Nitro? Look at this. Look at that. That is now what we see on TV. But it's okay. I'm not angry. I am perfectly calm. I am in control of my emotions.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Actually, you know what? Maybe we can still fix it. Alright guys, so wala nang talagang pag-asa yung TV namin. Walang-wala. Pumunta kami sa TV repair guy kanina. We're going to the TV repair guy to see if it can be fixed. If not, patay tayo dyan.
What do you mean?
Kung ganun daw yung screen, bibili na lang daw ng bago. Shut the door!
Hey, yo, check my flow.
Napaluluyan TV. Oh, that's what's inside. Hey, Mom.
Watch TV? So, in case you're wondering how Nitro broke the TV, this is how. Ginamit niya yung laruan niya na to, this little phone toy. Hey Nitro, you remember doing this? Yeah, you remember doing this, don't you? Yes, yes, you naughty boy. Yes, he got this, he walked up to the TV and just went crack, crack, crack. He thought it was funny, diba? Yes, you thought it was hilarious. You're so funny, aren't you?
No, nagluluto ako noon. Tapos nagtatapon ako ng basura kasi nagluluto ako. Tapos ikaw, you were on your laptop. Kaya walang nakapansin. Tapos biglang...
Yes, naughty boy. Yun lang po, wala lang kami TV. So we're going to get a new TV.
Bye-bye. You say bye. Bye. Thank you.
You're beautiful.